And please turn off your mic because that will disturb the whole class. Yeah. Now we are going to start, children. Keep your maths classwork note open and write today's date. I'm just going back to the screen because I need to explain from the screen. Take out your maths note. In the margin, I'm not showing you the screen now. In the margin, you write today's date, 28. And don't be typing anything when I take class, please. Don't type anything when I take class. And listen to the teacher who was teaching. See, it's come MNI, some rubbish. Please remove all that. Classwork note in the margin. Okay, Ansh. Must be by mistake, but please don't do it. Now, nothing connecting with your system right now. You take out your notebook, maths classwork, and write today's date in the margin. No disturbance in between. Please write today's date. And let me see. Please write today's date on the first line. I will dictate. I will dictate. Don't do anything. I will dictate. On the first line, add. Capital ADD. Add. Don't do this now. Just write on the first line, ADD. Add. Sorry, not add, children. Very sorry. It's subtraction. Sorry, please erase. Please erase. Subtract. I was just having in my mind addition. I will tell the spelling. Capital S.
Ma'am, what page number?
Children, this is nothing page number, your classwork note. Classwork note, first line, subtract. Just write S-U-B. Subtract. S-U-B. Capital S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T. Subtract. I will repeat. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T. Those who cannot write fully, just write S-U-B. Subtract. Subtract. Leave space. O-N. O-N. On. The. T-H-E. Subtract. On the number line. Or subtraction. I don't want you to write subtraction on the number line. You have to subtract. On. O-N. The. T-H-E. The. Number line. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number line. Once again, I'll tell you. Subtract on the number line. I'll try to write the heading after, before I could send this. I'll see. Subtract on the number line. Anyway, you understood what is it. You're going to do the subtraction and you have to take care now. See the screen now. All of you see the screen? Yeah. Leave the first column, second column. 2 columns you leave. Exactly from the screen, you draw a line from 0 to 12. Children, I think you have. See this Virti. See, she doesn't do anything in class. Virti.
Ma'am, I'm doing, ma'am.
Your camera, something happened now. You're just looking here and there and sitting. Got stuck, must be. Yes, Virti. Take out your notebook, draw a line, how it's shown on the screen. See the square? That square you have to just draw a line till the end of the page. Till the end of your page. Leave first two squares and do it exactly like the picture shown on the screen. And write 0, one small dot over there, 0. Write numbers from 0 to 12. Write numbers, open your notebook and keep, only write, don't do anything. Write numbers from 0 to 12, neatly, clearly shown on the picture. 0 to 12, you write the numbers. Within one line you have to write. Yes, Niral, please show me your notebook after writing 0 to 12. Very, very important, 0 to 12. After writing 0 to 12, please write 0 to 12 numbers after writing. Samantha, did you write, Samantha?
Yes, ma'am.
Please show me your notebook, Samantha. Closer to the camera. Yes, did you leave two squares? And it's not very clear to me. Anyway, just wait. Let everybody complete that. Don't do kachamucha work like writing together. You just wait. 0 to 12. No, children, I told you from now onwards, this week onwards, I don't want you to ask any help from your parents. Samantha, turn off your mic. Niral, when you finish 0 to 12, show me your notebook. Closer. Yes, you have 12 numbers. Okay. Now I'm going back to the screen. Now, next line, write how it's shown there. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6. Ten minus 6. Please do it. I finished giving explanation in the text book, but still I will tell you for the first one now. Hope you'd have written 0 to 12 and mark 0, 1, 2 exactly like this. Just put one small line like that so it's clear. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Now, please listen carefully, don't make mistake. Now, anyway, let me ask whether anybody knows. Now, let me take the name. Mukil M. M. Mukil. M. Yes. Can you tell me what should I do? Can you recollect what I taught you before? What should I do, Mukil?
You need to
Take
big jump to 10.
Very good. Wait. Okay, now you do it. Take a big, very good, Mukil. At least you remembered. Very good.
You need to go back.
Yeah. How many numbers? 6 numbers. Very good. Only one I'm going to do. Take a big jump to 10. Neat work it should be. See how the jump going. Come back. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jumps over, small jumps. Now, Mukil, can you tell me the answer?
4, ma'am.
Yes, you must not tell 6 because you are counting. So you are getting 4. Very good. Please do it, children. I think it's clear to everybody. Wait. Yes. Joshika, show me your notebook. Did you do the first sum, Joshika? See, Veerti, you sit properly, hold the book, then you do it. Simply don't draw as you like. Mukul, turn off your mic. Yes. Joshika, can you show me your notebook? Everybody finish. Take a big jump, come back. Count back.
Ma'am.
Yes, Alan. Yes, good. Very good. Now, see, I told you classwork, maths and EVS classwork, I will check. You will get mark. Okay, I will check later. And EVS drawing something I asked you to draw, that also you keep it ready. Now, I will go back to the screen. Yes. Leave 2 columns as it is shown. 1, 2. Leave 2 columns. Why I am leaving 2 columns? Because when you take a big jump, it must not touch the previous number. Leave 2 columns and the third column, 0 to 12, right? Right? 0 to 12. Take your scale and draw a long line till the end of the page. Slowly, children, not in a hurry. Should be a neat work. 0 to 12. One day in math class, I will ask you to show this page. This page will be taken for neatness. 5 marks, okay? Alan, keep it in your mind which page. So I will ask you this today's classwork. Now 0 to 12, you mark the numbers. Yes, neat work it should be. Tarush, where are you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Did you draw the line, Tarush?
Yes, ma'am.
Where, show me?
The second line.
Second, yes, after. Okay, do it. Please mark 0 to 12. Please mark. Okay, okay. See, now I never asked you to do it now. That's what. Okay, Tarush, wait. Write 0 to 12 numbers, everyone. Now, Tarush, tell me, what should I do? It is 9 minus 5. What should I do, Tarush? Tell me.
We need to jump from 0 to 9.
Sit properly now. Don't jump. 0 to 9. Wait. Let me jump. Sorry, children. I haven't shown the... Yes. 0 to 9. Big jump. Then...
Come back. Come 5 jumps back.
How many jumps you have to come back?
5.
5. Good. 1. See whether it's right. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the answer shown over there?
4.
Good. Now, please don't do the next one there in the same page. You may not have place. That should be done in the next page, but everybody must complete this. Let me ask whether you got enough space. Wait. Do this now. Juansri, do you have place below? Sujin? Alan, do you have enough space to draw the next one over there? Yes. Those who have place, leave 2 columns and draw 0 to 12. Yeah. How it's shown on the screen. Those who have place can draw 0 to 12 You draw a line and write 0 to 12 numbers as it is shown on the screen over here. Don't do the sum. If you have place, leave 2 squares, draw a straight line. Draw a line, long line till the end of the page. Mark 0 to 12. Yes, Virti, what do you want? Virti, you do by yourself, please. I will not give you a mark. Anybody else is doing the work in your maths note. Turn your maths notebook. Juansri, did you draw the line for the third sum? And write 1, 2.
Mom, I couldn't see the third sum.
Okay, wait. Did you write in the same? No lying. Sit up straight, Tarush. Did you write in the same page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I want Ritun Rajwell. Ritun, are you there, Ritun? Ritun, where are you, Ritun? Yeah. Please tell me. Okay, I'll show you. Now tell me. What should I do? 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7.
1.
Please let him tell the answer. Tell me what should I do to reach 8 first. From 0 to 8, what should I do?
0 to 8, we jump, ma'am.
You jump from, you tell, take a big jump from, long jump from 0 to 8. Say, take, sorry, please, somebody asked me something. I am asking.
Ma'am,
Ritun
I'm
Rajwell.
Dwanashri.
Yeah?
I'm Dwanashri. My mic was not working.
Never mind, Johnsri. Just listen. Okay, I knew that something is wrong. Okay. 1 minute. No, afterwards. Okay. Now, Ritun Rajwell. Yes, Ritun, please help me. Yeah, Johnsri, I will ask you 1 minute. Ritun, just tell me. We have to take a long jump, big jump from 0 to 8. Yeah, please do it neatly. I'm going to ask you the notebook. Yeah. Then.
And the small one to the one.
No, you must not say 1. After making the small jump only, you're going to get 1. So don't tell the answer. Now we have to come back. Backward, you have to count backward. You have to tell in order.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to count backward. 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 numbers. Now listen, children. 7 numbers you have to count backward. Okay. Now tell me the answer.
1, ma'am.
1. Now listen, children. I want everybody to do. By the time when I call your names, you have to show me the notebook for the classwork. Then only I can put marks. Okay. I'll have to. Yeah. Classwork. 1 minute. I want. Yes, 1 minute. One, don't say. Now, Adonia's not there. Adonia's not there. Adonia, are you there? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Adonia, good morning. I told you I think. Okay, Adonia, 1 minute. You have to think. Adonia,
Yes, ma'am.
now tell me. Show your, listen now children. Adonia, show me your notebook closer to the camera. Show me your notebook closer to the camera neatly. Yes, I cannot see, ma'am. Please show it. Little more this side, left side. It's only on the middle. Have you done all the 3 sums?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now 1 minute. Yes. Now, thank you. Now I want Akshara to show your notebook. Akshara, please show me your notebook, Akshara, after doing it. Thank you, Adonia. Akshara, please show me. How many sums have you done, Akshara? Akshara. Yes, Effie. Effie. Please show
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
Show me your notebook, Effie.
3 sums, ma'am.
Akshara, thank you. Akshara, leave. Effie, closer. Closer to the... Yes, because I want to see the neatness. Where is the last sum? 1. Yeah. Effie, good. Fatima. Fatima, please show me your notebook. Fatima. Where is Fatima now? Those who are not showing, no mark for you. That's why. Joshika Mary. Joshika. Joshika. Others don't know. 1 minute. I'm calling according to the roll number. Joshika Mary, please show me your notebook. Something happened to the camera. Kanira, show me your notebook, Kanira. Kanira, show me your notebook, Kanira. She's not showing. What happened? Something. Kanira, closer, closer. Little more closer. I can't see. Joshika still did not show. Joshika, what happened? Now, Kailina. Kailina, show me your notebook, please. I want to see the work done. Show your notebook.
Ma'am.
Yes. Fatima, show me, Fatima, what happened? Something happened to the system. Fatima, show me your notebook, Fatima.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I didn't finish the 3rd one.
Okay, after finishing, you just call me, okay? That's what. Now, Kailina. Tarush, don't play. Kailina, show me your notebook.
Mom, it was a bug.
Now, wait, that means you must not play, just wait. I'm just waiting for everybody. Kailina. Misty. Where is Misty? Misty. Nobody showing now.
What, ma'am?
Please show me your notebook. Children, we have to be fast because I have to ask other children.
Ma'am, is it okay, ma'am?
I cannot see Misty. Mitra, show me your notebook. See, these children, those who are not showing, not going to get marks. The Misty did not show. Kailina did not show. Misty showing. Misty, show me, Misty. Yeah. Kanira, show. Mitra. Kanira, okay, Kanira, I finished. But Misty, I cannot see over here. Yes? Misty, are you showing?
Yes, ma'am.
But I cannot see on my screen. I don't know what happened.
Ma'am,
Okay, now.
ma'am,
Kailina. Okay, Kailina is so Kailina's.
Ma'am, I'm also showing.
Who's that showing? Now, Mitra. No, I'll call your name. Mitra, okay, Mitra. Now, wait. I will. Please don't show children. I will call your name because I have to enter the marks over here for your neatness. Now, Mishti, that's all. Now, I want Abhisha. Okay, those who are here. Abhisha, where are you? Show me your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your notebook, Abhisha. Notebook, today's work. Suddenly it's getting stuck. Okay, children, something is happening to the system. You all are not coming on the. Okay, Abhisha, good. Okay. Now, Abhisha. Next one, Akshaya E. After Akshaya, I will just see this one. Akshaya, where are you? Now, Shashwata, show me Shashwata. Shashwata, good. Good, Shashwata. Last one, yes. Akshaya, not Akshara. Akshaya. Akshara, finish.
Ma'am?
Yes, Akshaya.
Ma'am, Akshaya.
Show me your notebook.
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay. Okay, Alan. Never mind. I will just, yes, who's this boy? Let me see the name. Okay, Ritik. Okay, Ritik, 1 minute. Someone showing 1 minute.
Ma'am?
1 minute, Ritik. Yes, Ritik. I finished seeing Ritik. Now, Judah.
Ma'am?
Who's this calling me? Alan.
Fatima.
1 minute. Fatima, show me, Fatima. Okay, Judah, 1 minute, Fatima. Let me mark Judah's. 1 minute.
Ma'am, Shaina, ma'am.
1 minute. No, 1 minute. Fatima, show me. In order, I was asking, so Fatima. Close, so Fatima. Yes, Fatima. Good. Now listen, children, you have to be.
Ma'am, Judah, ma'am.
Judah, I saw Judah. Thank you. Joshika, can you show me your notebook? And I told you not to type anything and send anything. Fatima, good. Joshika, Mary Anns, don't type anything and send it when I'm in class. Again, Ansh is doing the same thing. And so, now listen, children, all of you look here. Listen here. All 3 sums you have to write properly and do it neatly. Judah, you finished. Thank you, Judah. Now listen, children. Oh, Jaja. All must see whether you have done the sums properly. All the 3 sums. Now this Aunt Shirley was sending some nonsense in the class and I just tried to do something and all went off. Ansh. Wait, I'll go back. I just want Ansh to listen to me. You're going on sending some messages over here and just typing some letters on the screen and disturbing the whole class. Please don't do it again. Thrice I told you, you are repeating the same. Going on H, MK, and I just tried to do remove that. The full screen went off. Children, please don't disturb like this. If you don't want to attend the class, don't attend. From first I was telling, third time you are doing now today. Yes, children, other children, please try to complete all this without making mistake neatly. Those who are disturbing me, I will inform in the office. That's all I can do. Yes, Judah, thank you for answering, Judah. Just complete this. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.